In today's video, we're going to be doing a camera comparison between the Galaxy A16 and Galaxy A15. Which one is better? Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. On the left side, of course, we have the brand new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, just came out a month ago. And of course, on the right side, we have the Galaxy A15 5G, came out last year, end of last year. But yeah, both these devices are decent devices. Both these devices, of course, are released at $199. I'm not sure if we have the A16 in the US yet, but once it is released, if it is released next month, it is definitely going to be at that $199 price tag. And there are many websites selling the A16 right now for $199 as well. But anyways, in this video, we're going to be doing a camera comparison. I'm going to be showing you videos on both these devices. And of course, put your opinion in the comments down below, which one you think looks better. But let's go over the specifications of these devices. So first and foremost, the Galaxy A16 5G front-facing camera. This is going to have a top recording of 1080p at 30 frames per second for the front and the rear-facing camera. So this is going to be the same video for front as the back, but we have a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, capable of that wide angle mode as well on here. So we have that 0.5 times zoom. And on the Galaxy A15 right here, we have the same hole punch camera notch right there and the same 13 megapixel camera. Again, top recording quality on this device is going to be 1080p at 30 frames per second. So the same as the Galaxy A16 5G. Now going over the rear facing cameras on both these devices, they are going to be exactly the same. Both triple camera setups right here. Both have a 50 megapixel wide angle camera for that main camera. Both have the 5 megapixel secondary ultra wide camera, and both have the same 2 megapixel macro camera. So this is going to literally be the same setup. There are going to be some differences, as you guys are going to see in a second. When we go into the camera application though, pretty much everything is the same right here. So this entire setup is pretty much all the same, except on the Galaxy A16, for whatever reason, we do not have the fun mode. So that is not there for your use. But if we go into video, 1080p 30 frames per second, and we have all the same features as well inside of here. So we have the pro mode, the panorama, food, slow motion, macro, all that type of stuff. Now before I show you the videos and the photos that I took on both these devices, because I will be putting them side by side right now, and again, give me your opinion on these photos and videos. Which one do you like better? But before I show you that, I have to say the Galaxy A16 5G, for whatever reason, and if you guys know this, let me know in the comment section down below if the A16 5G received a new sensor. I'm not 100% sure if it did or not. I'm pretty sure we may have just got some like software updates to this camera, but let me know if it's a different sensor. It definitely feels like the same sensor. The one thing I very much notice about the Galaxy A16 5G, this device has the more natural looking photos. It has the more natural looking environments. When we go over to the Galaxy A15, it is just super contrasty. Not that it looks bad at all, because honestly, pretty sure a lot of you would like this camera a lot more just because of that punchiness and that contrast. But the two big things about this whole camera comparison, the Galaxy A16 5G is going to have more natural skin tones. It's going to have more natural colors. So what you're seeing in real life is going to be portrayed inside of this camera lens on the A16. The A15 5G, it's a little blown out of proportion with how colorful it gets sometimes. So you're going to get very dark, very colorful, very deep colors with the Galaxy A15 5G. And they're not going to be natural colors. However, they are going to look pretty good still. So I'm not putting down the Galaxy A15 5G. I'm just saying that these are not the natural colors that you're going to be getting with this device. So the A16 5G, more natural. If you guys do like the more natural type of photos, of course, go with the A16. As far as the video goes, honestly, I didn't see a crazy improvement, and you guys are going to see that in a second. But the last thing is, I have to say that the clarity on the Galaxy A16 5G compared to the A15 is absolutely much better. I turned the beauty mode, or the little beauty buffer mode, all the way down, and I definitely got much more detail on the Galaxy A16 5G. So the clarity is going to be better on the Galaxy A16 5G, and you guys will be able to see that on the first photo I post right here in a second. It's going to be a selfie photo camera. You're going to get much more detail on the A16 5G with that. But we're going to go and show you a ton of different photos, ton of different videos, and let me know in the comment section down below which phone you think looks better. Alright guys, so this is the Galaxy A15 5G. This is the type of quality you can expect compared to the A16 5G. If you guys see any key differences, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. So far, front-facing camera. Alright everyone, so this is the front-facing camera, 1080p 30 frames per second on the Galaxy A16 5G. And this is the type of clarity, stabilization, and quality you can get from this front-facing camera. Let me know what you guys think though. Alright guys, so this is the rear-facing camera on the Galaxy A15 5G. 1080p 30 frames per second, of course. And this is how we are looking. Maybe a little bit of an improvement going from the A15 to the A16, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, this is the normal A15. We'll go to the A16 in just a second. What I do notice about the A15 5G, however, is it's super contrasty when we get into colors like this red brick building right here. This building right here is not that red, so things are like kind of blown out of proportion, and it's not the actual color that you're seeing. So we get super high contrast when it's really not that contrasty. Whereas if we go to the Galaxy A16 5G, it's much more color accurate with real life colors and stuff like that. This is the actual color of the building. If not, it's super close to it. And if we go over to the Galaxy A15 5G, it just makes this entire building like red, super red. So I would say the biggest difference between the A16 5G and the A15 5G is the more natural colors that we're getting in color tones now on things like your trees and whatever subject you're honestly pointing your camera at. But if you guys are going on nature walks a lot, you guys are taking photos and stuff like that, this is definitely going to get the color tones and skin tones, I'm sure, even more accurately. As far as quality though, I am going to look at it and I will let you guys know when I edit this in post. I don't think the quality is that much better, or the stabilization is that much better. So, you know, not really a big difference so far, but I'll let you know what I think when I get home, and I'll do all of my research and stuff in comparison. But so far, quality ain't too crazy. Alright guys, so as I said, I kind of like the Galaxy A16 5G better, just for a few different reasons. I think the skin tones are much better, especially when you're taking a selfie. I definitely like the clarity better on the A16 as well. The one thing I really do like about the A15, and as much as it's unnatural, it does take some very nice, colorful, popping photos. So obviously, this is all up to you. This is going to be your decision. Which photos and videos do you think look better? Obviously, you're going to get the better updates on the A16, and you're going to be covered for a lot more time, and obviously, you're going to have a newer processor and stuff like that. So Again, let me know in the comment section down below what phone you would take. Also, for the people out there who have the Galaxy A15 5G, I've been getting this question a lot. Should I upgrade to the A16? No, stay with the Galaxy A15. Stay with this device. Unless you're getting this device at a great deal, or you're getting it as a gift, or you guys may get a free upgrade with your service provider or whatever, I would stay with the Galaxy A15. I don't think there's enough to go ahead and warrant another $200 to just upgrade to this new device right here. But again, do what you want. This has been the comparison between the Galaxy A16 5G and the Galaxy A15 5G. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and hit the notification bell, as well as subscribing if you guys want to stay tuned for more videos just like this one. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.